Okay, Tim Rose, Scooter Check 2012! Let's go! Hi, my name's Tim, and this is my bike check. Alright, bike check with the tyres. These are the Animal GLH tyres. They are tires. They are 2.25 and 2.1 in the back. In the back. Alright, so this is my bike. I have a Federal Dan Lacey frame in Star Blue. And these are my bars. They're Fiend Team bars with Cult Vans, the gum grip, with kink lightest bar ends. I have a E-Claw Sean Bernstein, FSA Impact headset, Fiend Embryo forks. My front wheel is a Cinema 777 laced to a Shadow Raptor hub with a G-Sport hub guard on that side and a Shadow hub guard on that side and two bone deaf pegs. Okay, bike stuff. Shadow, something pedals. They're plastic. They hurt your shins. Profile cranks. An Animal bottom bracket, but nobody cares. Because nobody cares. Another Cinema 777 rim laced to a Shadow BTR left side drive street dog hub with the hub guard and another bone deaf peg. On the side of the bicycle, there's a Cult, I think it's a member sprocket with a shadow chain. Very dark shadows for the shadow chain. And then we have a Animal seat post and a King Sean Sexton seat to finish it up. And that's it.